So let's download Blender. If you go to blender.org, select the download button. Select download Blender 3.3.1. It's our long-term support version. Once it's downloaded, you can click it or navigate to wherever it downloaded it. Run the installer. And then when Blender starts, well, it'll ask you a question. Do you want to use your left or right mouse button? A couple other basic questions. For spacebar, I did search. And let's take a look at our splash screen. So here we have a handful of new file types that we can start. We can open up or recover our last session or release stuff. Or you can give them money.